When you are looking at counters, let your eyes gaze calmly and without strenuous effort at the counters. So, take a look at these counters, the ones that you have before you. All of you attending this workshop have the same counters. So there's no need to look at your neighbour to see what he has, because you will find that his selection is exactly the same as you and the same position. So calmly now look at these counters. Then close your eyes and see what you can see in your mind's eye. Those of you who have this as a natural gift will see all the counters clearly. For others it will be blurred, or for others there may not be anything there. It matters not. That which is blank today or blurred today, tomorrow, as in after the 100,000th go or attempt, it will be clearly seen.